Hey everybody, so today's video is being done in collaboration with PandaHall.com, and they had sent me some products to review. So in this video I'm going to be using these napkin ring holder silicone molds that they had sent me, and I'm also going to be putting in some of these plastic bubble beads. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know down in the comments.
Begins to grow. Electric sparks ignite the air. I create like no one's there. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. Shadows dance on the midnight wall. They whisper secrets, they hear my call. Neon colors flow through my veins. I paint my heartbeat through the pain. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. The clock is silent, we defy its rules. Love's the fire, it fuels my tools. Crimson dreams and sapphire skies. My art comes alive, it never lies. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight.
PandaHall has given me a discount code to share with you. That is YXYT Alyson, and that will get you 10% off of your order at PandaHall.com.
We ran through fire like we'd never burn. Our hearts were wild, we had much to learn. Breaking the rules like they had no hold. Every laugh we had turned the night to gold. Streetlights danced as we chased our dreams. We painted the world with reckless schemes. Time stood still while we built our throne. Every crack was ours and ours alone. We were kings, we were queens of the endless sky. Didn't care if the days or the nights went by. Youth was a song we screamed out loud. The future was distant, we lived for now. Yet that reckless spark still lights the moon. I take a breath, then grab my stuff. I make a mess. Is that enough? Oh, the world, it fades away when I'm making something new today. My heart, my fire, my heart's desire. My heart, my fire takes me higher. Don't know why I need to make, but I will try, for goodness sake. Oh, the world, it fades away when I'm making something new today. My heart, my fire, my heart's desire. My heart, my fire takes me higher, higher. My heart, my fire, my heart, my fire, my heart, my fire, I take a breath, then grab my stuff. I'll make a mess. Is that enough? Oh, the world, it fades away when I'm making something new today. My heart, my fire, my heart's desire. My heart, my fire takes me higher. Don't know why I need to.
Okay, so these are all cured and I'm going to be gluing them together so that they meet up where the flower goes in there. So hopefully that will work out well, and I will be back with some pictures of the completed napkin holders with napkins. I wanted to say thank you to PandaHall for sending me the molds and products that I used to make these, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll have the final pictures at the end here, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.